We're at the new 760 Fitness right here in Ridgecrest on China Lake Boulevard. Getting ready to see what kind of equipment they got, what kind of classes they offer, and probably going to sign up today.
My name is Alan Castro. I'm here to sign up for 760 Fitness.
Hi, I'm Matthew Graham. I'm at 760 Fitness, signing up to be a new member.
I'm super excited about having a gym again, my friend. Not only for the physical aspect, but for the mental aspect of it as well.
Oh man, it's amazing. It's been hard to get motivated, and now we have a gym opening up and get that motivation back in and get healthy.
Well, good afternoon. This is Mayor Eric Brewer from the city of Ridgecrest. We are outside 760 Fitness. They are doing their VIP sign-up event, which is their grand opening for sign-ups. They're about a week and a half, I guess about 2 weeks or 2 to 4 weeks from opening. I know I've been working with them on getting everything lined up and getting ready for it, and we're excited to see a fitness center back in our community.
Hi guys, thank you so much for joining us at our founding members event today. We were blown away by the support and we are super grateful to get you guys in here. We just wanted you to know what to expect for our soft opening on day 1, August 28th.
So what you can expect from the soft opening is the bulk of our equipment is going to be in place. We're going to have our full cardio theater, we're going to have the weights, we're going to have the dumbbells, we're going to have the machines. There'll be a few things that won't be in place as we start. For the most part, we'll have all the equipment you need to get a good workout in.
So what you could expect to be available on day 1 is our childcare, so our kids club, our open gym with most of our equipment in place, and also our group fitness classes. So that's going to be spin, Zumba, indoor cycling, and body pump.
And yoga.
Didn't I say yoga?
You didn't say yoga.
Oh. Okay.
Things that we have coming in the future are the rock wall and expanded locker rooms with showers and a dry sauna.
From day 1 on August 28th, we are going to be open from Monday through Friday from 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. as well as Saturdays and Sundays from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Childcare will be available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. as well as Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m.
All right, again, we really want to thank everybody who was able to make it out for the founding members event today.
We were blown away by the community support and enthusiasm for the gym, and we're super grateful that people trust us to put together an awesome facility for you guys, and we really look forward to seeing you. We want to let you know that we're going to waive the sign-up fee of $19 through August 31st, so it's not too late to sign up and take advantage of that perk. Thank you so much, and we can't wait to see you guys.